case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1954, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Bolling v. Sharpe, which focused on the prohibition of racial discrimination by the government and the requirement of a valid reason for treating people differently. The case challenged the constitutionality of racial segregation in public schools in the District of Columbia, where African American minors were denied admission to a school attended by white children due to their race. The plaintiffs claimed that this segregation violated their right to due process under the Fifth Amendment. The District Court for the District of Columbia initially dismissed their complaint. However, the Supreme Court later granted a writ of certiorari due to the significant constitutional issue involved. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled that the segregation of public schools was prohibited by the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause, which forbids states from maintaining racially segregated schools. Even though the Fifth Amendment does not contain an Equal Protection Clause, it still protects against unjustifiable discrimination that violates due process. As a result, the court held that both state and federal governments were constitutionally barred from enforcing racial segregation in public schools. Following this decision, the case was restored for re-argument on questions 4 and 5 from the landmark case, Brown v. Board of Education. The court's ruling in Bolling v. Sharpe established that racial segregation in District of Columbia public schools violated the Fifth Amendment's guarantee of due process.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.